What if just 15 words could completely change the way you speak English? Today, I'm going to give you exactly that. These are real words, words native speakers use every day. And by the end of this video, you'll be using them too. Let's go. Here's the truth about fluency. It's not about knowing thousands of words. It's about knowing the right words and using them with confidence. The 15 words in this video are intermediate level. That means they're not too basic and not too difficult. They're the kind of words that will make you sound natural, smart, and fluent in real conversations. So stay with me, repeat the words out loud, and by the end, try using at least one of them today. Ready? Let's start. Word 1. Elaborate. Definition: to explain something in more detail. In conversation, use this when someone asks you to say more about a topic. Example: can you elaborate on that idea? I'd like to understand it better. Repeat after me. Elaborate. Try it today. Next time someone shares an idea, ask them to elaborate. Word 2. Reluctant. Definition: not willing to do something, feeling unsure or hesitant. In conversation, use this to describe a feeling of not wanting to do something. Example: she was reluctant to speak in front of the class, but she did it anyway. Repeat after me. Reluctant. Word 3. Cope. Definition: to deal with something difficult in a positive way. In conversation, use this to talk about handling problems or stress. Example: it was a tough week, but I found ways to cope. Repeat after me. Cope. This is a very common word in everyday English. Remember it. Word 4. Decent. Definition: good enough, acceptable, reasonable quality. In conversation, native speakers use this all the time instead of saying good or okay. Example: the restaurant wasn't amazing, but the food was decent. Repeat after me. Decent. Word 5. Assume. Definition: to believe something is true without proof. In conversation, use this when talking about guesses or expectations. Example: I assumed the meeting was canceled, but I was wrong. Repeat after me. Assume. Word 6. Come across. Definition: to seem or appear a certain way to others. In conversation, this is perfect for talking about first impressions. Example: he comes across as very confident in interviews. Repeat after me. Come across. Think about this one. How do you come across to others? Word 7. Acknowledge. Definition: to recognize or accept that something is true, or to show that you notice something. In conversation, use this in professional and everyday situations. Example: she didn't even acknowledge my message. That was strange. Repeat after me. Acknowledge. Word 8. Perspective. Definition: a point of view, the way someone sees or thinks about something. In conversation, great for discussions, debates, or giving opinions. Example: from my perspective, working from home is much more productive. Repeat after me. Perspective. Use this word when sharing opinions. It sounds natural and mature. Word 9. Straightforward. Definition: simple, easy to understand, not complicated. In conversation, use this to describe tasks, people, or explanations. Example: don't worry, the process is completely straightforward. Repeat after me. Straightforward. Word 10. Hang out. Definition: to spend time relaxing with someone, casually. In conversation, this is one of the most natural, informal expressions in English. Example: we didn't have any plans, we just hung out at the park. Repeat after me. Hang out. This replaces spend time with friends in almost every casual situation. Word 11. Relevant. Definition: connected to the topic, important to the current situation. In conversation, use this when talking about information, skills, or ideas that matter. Example: make sure your resume only includes relevant experience. Repeat after me. Relevant. Word 12. Figure out. Definition: to find the answer to something, to solve or understand something. In conversation, you'll hear this constantly in everyday English. Example: I'm still trying to figure out how to use this app. Repeat after me. Figure out. Replace understand or solve with figure out. It sounds much more natural. Word 13. Genuine. Definition: real, sincere, not fake or pretending. In conversation, use this to describe people, feelings, or things that feel truly real. Example: her smile was genuine. You could feel she was really happy. Repeat after me. Genuine. Word 14. Bring up definition. To mention a topic or start talking about something. In conversation, use this when introducing a new idea in a conversation. Example: I'm glad you brought up that question. It's really important. Repeat after me. Bring up. Word 15. Turn out. Definition: to happen in a certain way, often used when the result is surprising. In conversation, perfect for storytelling and sharing results. Example: I was nervous about the trip, but it turned out to be amazing. Repeat after me. Turn out. This one is everywhere in English. You'll start hearing it all the time. So there you have it, minus 15 words that real English speakers use every single day. Let's do a quick recap. You learned words like elaborate, reluctant, cope, genuine, figure out, turn out, and many more. These aren't words for exams. These are words for life. The difference between someone who sounds intermediate and someone who sounds fluent, it's not grammar, it's vocabulary habits. It's the small, natural words you choose every day. So here's your challenge. Pick just 3 words from today's video. Use them in real sentences this week. Write them down, say them out loud, send a message to a friend using one of them. That's how fluency really grows, one word at a time. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you want more vocabulary videos like this one, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Now tell me in the comments which word was new for you today. I read every single comment. See you in the next one. Keep going. You're doing great.